Hello, my peaches, what's up? I have been getting so many requests for my winter fragrance collection from Zara, and I have quite some here. And there are many fragrances in here that I have not reviewed yet individually, so I'll definitely do that in future. But I just wanted to sit down and talk about my winter fragrances since winters are here, so I want to talk about them. And the good thing about Zara is that the moment you place the order, in 2-3 days it reaches you, so it does not take too long for the Zara fragrances to reach you or the Zara orders to reach you. I am loving this sweater. This is like so beautiful and so comfy, soft and warm, and I am loving it. I can live in this sweater day and night and every single day of winters, but obviously I can't do that. But I'm just saying, I can live in this sweater for the entire winters. I'm loving it this much. I ordered it from Urbanic just in case. So I'll just talk about each and every fragrance just in a bit, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be a part of the Peach Pack and tap on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload. I'm also super duper active on Instagram and I share about my personal life over there, so follow me on Instagram to connect better with me. So let's start with this one right here, Oriental. This is this is a caramel, slight bit incense, but a very modern incense. I have to tell you, I have came across so many Oriental incensey fragrances lately that they smell like attar, and I don't like it. Juicy and modern take on incense, and very very beautiful. Slight bit of caramel in here, sweet, a bit spicy in my opinion, like cinnamon. Like how cinnamon is a sweet spice, I get compliments on this. This is not among my most favorites, I have to tell you that. I like putting it on when I want to feel cozy, like when I'm on my period, in the winter days obviously. And I say that I definitely imagine bonfire time with this, so, or by the fireplace. This is very beautiful for that. I really like it, but it is not like I love it. But yes, I definitely enjoy this one a lot. People come and tell me that I'm smelling very good with this one, but it's not very long lasting. And the compliments that I've got it just in the first 1 hour, because it fades away very very quickly. Next fragrance that I have not talked about yet, it is a Joyful Tuberose. It is more like, it has a fresh opening, but this has the creamy vanilla in it, and it's a very smooth vanilla. I'm not going to mention notes on these because I have individual videos and you can go watch them. This I will review very very soon, but I can tell you that to me this smells like a softer non-aftershave version of Zara Femme. So if you have not been able to get along with Zara Femme just like me, you can definitely give this one a try. Can be more like a personal scent kind of a thing. It's also not very projective, but I really like the smoothness, creaminess, coziness in this fragrance. But it's a fresh vanilla, like fresh opening vanilla and smooth creamy tonka beans. Yeah, so that kind of fragrance, very nice. But I so wish that this would have lasted longer. I'm not going in any order, I'm just picking up whatever is there in front of me. All right, let's talk about this. This is Blossom Blush, very new addition to the Zara website, and not many people are asking me about this fragrance, but I absolutely love this fragrance. This is a sweet popcorn fragrance. It smells like buttery caramelized popcorns to me. Like, I think it has tonka beans in here, but this is such a soft, and again a soft smooth gourmand that smells like caramelized buttery popcorn. It has that buttery feel in it, and I love putting this on when I'm at home. And it also, like in the dry down, like from the bottle I can't smell that, but when it's on my skin and in the dry down, I also smell some cherries in here. So it has the fruitiness, but it has the buttery popcorn with a little bit of caramel, and it's really beautiful. It has tonka beans in the base note. Very beautiful gourmand and very beautiful winter fragrance, but not very long lasting. Again, 2 to 3 hours at a max, that too when you overspray it. I would really suggest, if you're going for this, you spray twice on the same spot. So do that with Blossom Blush. Really beautiful. Loved it when I smelled it. It was like love at first sniff. Then I have Red Vanilla. Okay, Red Vanilla to me is almost like an all-weather fragrance because it has the freshness from the patchouli in it. Is very fresh and a bit spicy. Almost feels a bit spicy, but it's not that spicy. So yeah, so it has the fruity freshness, yet a lot of sweetness in here, and the sweetness makes it a winter fragrance, like a winter daytime or even nighttime. If you like smelling this way, like if you like smelling a little fresh and fruity along with the sweetness, so this is great for the winter daytime. I would love to put it on in the winter daytimes and summer night times. It's an all-weather fragrance for me. Yeah, beautiful, and it's very sexy in my opinion. I always say that in every video when I mention this fragrance. So it's a very sexy fragrance. By the way, it's winter is like officially here in Hyderabad. The weather was 10 degrees last night, and I'm wearing socks along with the sweater right now. Next, I want to talk about Pink Flambe. Pink Flambe is I'll tell you what. To me, this is a lychee. It's a juicy fragrance that has lychee and white chocolates in it, according to me. So the notes mentioned have praline, but in my opinion, this is a lychee flavored white chocolate which smells juicy yet chocolatey at the same time. And it's very beautiful. It's a very, I would say, it's a comforting sweet fragrance, and it is very soothing and comforting kind of fragrance. I love putting it on when I go to bed because it's again not very long lasting. I'm going to talk about the long lasting ones in just a bit, so you'll have to wait for that till the end. So this is not very long lasting, but I feel that this one and then Joyful Tuberose, or even Joyful Tuberose or Blossom Blush, these are the fragrances that are great for some cozy times or great for some me time. Like I saw somebody setting up a date for her own self, and I liked that idea so much. Like for all my single ladies out there, or somebody who is living alone, set up a date for yourself, put some makeup on, wear your favorite dress, cook the food in advance, just heat it up, eat it, and watch a movie, and definitely put some fragrance on. If at all it would have been a long lasting fragrance, I would have loved putting it on for the entire day, or for going out, or for even going on a date, because it's really beautiful. Now I'm going to talk about the long lasting fragrances. Okay, from now on everything that I'm going to talk about is a long lasting fragrance. So I'm going to talk about Gourmand Addict. I'm soon going to upload a video, maybe next I'm going to upload a video on this. This is a chocolatey champagne fragrance. It is sparkly, bubbly, and it is sickly sweet. For all my sweet fragrance lovers out there, this is just heaven. And it's also long lasting. On me at least, whatever fragrances I'm mentioning to be long lasting, on me they are long lasting, and Gourmand Addict is one of them. This is such a sexy party fragrance. Party by the pool, whenever you want to feel sexy, just put this on, because it literally smells like champagne. Obviously Zara fragrances are not that crazy projective, but you can definitely make them work by overspraying them or retouching them, or they are also good for people who get headaches from fragrances, so a little bit of can do the work for them. Next that I want to talk about is Gardenia. This is my absolute favorite love. Gardenia, you know, Gardenia is a dupe for YSL Black Opium. Everybody knows that. It has a little bit of coffee in it, like that I detected after using it many times. To me, it's a sweet woody fragrance, and it's like also long lasting, and it's very beautiful, and it is definitely among my top 5 from Zara. I still love it a lot, and I still use it judicially. I still use it judicially, you know. So I still have all of it with me, and I love this fragrance. And those who find Black Opium boring, I mean, it's just their opinion. By the way, I have tried Black Opium. I sprayed it on, and I was like, spot on, honey, spot on Black Opium. Zara has done it so well in this one. I'm putting it in the winter fragrance collection because this turns very sweet. Like, it's a sweet fragrance. Black Opium does not turn this sweet, I'm telling you. It stays more of coffee and woody kind of, but this one turns very sweet on the skin, and not on the clothes, on the skin it turns very sweet, and it turns almost like not as sweet as Gourmand Addict, but definitely quite sugary sweet with the woodiness. So that's why I'm including it in the winter collection. Next fragrance, again, I have not talked about it individually, but yes, I'll soon do that. I am trying my best to upload quickly, but you know, I am a mother and I take care of the entire house, and it gets a little difficult for me to keep up with the YouTube videos all the time. So uploading once or twice a week is like a lot for me. So this is Black Amber. Oh my goodness, such a nice sweet fragrance, and I have to tell you that this is a spot on, honey. After smelling this, I was like, I'm not gonna buy the original one because this is such a spot on dupe for Dolce & Gabbana The One. Oh, this is floral. This is a bit fruity, a bit floral, sweet, a little musky, and this is such a beautiful fragrance, guys. This is such a beautiful fragrance, and I've not heard a single person saying that this is not nice. But there is nothing black or nothing ambery about it, but this is a very versatile, a little bit sexy. You just imagine any situation and you can put this on. You can put this on. You can go to office party, any friend's party, housewarming, just name it, and you can put this fragrance on, be it any situation. This is also great as a summer night fragrance, but it's a little too sweet for the summer days. It is a very beautiful balance of all the notes in here, and this is, nothing is shining too much in here. Everything has a very nice balance, and that's why this fragrance is very versatile. Love this one. And by the way, I need to tell you that it was on my clothes and I was using those clothes, so I was ironing them, and while doing so I just smelled this and I got so confused. I was like, which is this fragrance? This is so beautiful. Which fragrance is this that I'm not recognizing in my collection? And then later on I just sat down and I thought about it for some time, that which fragrance I put on these clothes the last time, and it was Black Amber. It's that beautiful. It will definitely be a crowd pleaser, and it will definitely be a compliment getter. My husband likes Black Amber on me, and he also loves the next two that I'm going to talk about, the next three in fact that I'm going to talk about. He likes them a lot on me. Now let's talk about tobacco collection from Zara, which is Rich, Warm, Addictive. I have talked about it so much. All those people getting impatient to get their hands on this fragrance, please wait for some time. I think Zara keeps on removing and then putting back the fragrances back in their stock, so you'll just have to wait a bit. This is a very nice sweet honey tobacco, and also the dark coconut. I do smell it now in it. Very unisex kind of fragrance, very beautiful. I love the packaging, I love the fragrance. This is also long lasting, just that you have to overspray it, and I have put quite some dent in it. And yeah, my husband likes this one as well on me. Very warm, cozy, comfort myself with some fragrance, and I just want to feel cozy and nice and warm. It's a very nice warm fragrance for these winters, and neither men nor women can go wrong with this one. Definitely get your hands on it whenever it's available and whenever it's in stock. I do keep updating you guys though on these things, but you know, it's not always possible for me as well to, you know, keep an eye on Zara fragrances. The next one that I want to talk about is Violet Blossom. Somebody said that it smells like a bug spray. I really disagree with that, and I have to mention it here because if there's something that I'm liking, I need to speak up about it, and it's important for you guys as well to understand what's my choice of fragrances and what kind of fragrances I like, so that whatever I'm recommending, your and my fragrance choices should be similar for that. probably that's why you would like to watch my reviews and like to get a recommendation from me only if your and my fragrance choice matches. I love this one. It is nothing like a bug spray. It's a boozy, fruity, dark, fruity, sexy, sensual, and yeah, it is rum and black grapes and tonka beans and sweet as well. Like, I can put this on in the extreme hot summer days at night. It can be a night party fragrance or a night sexy date fragrance, or it can be a winter fragrance as well, because it's quite like, it is a little bit sweet, but then it has that boozy vibe, that to a rum or wine kind of vibe. A great everyday and all day winter fragrance, but can also work really, really well in the summer nights, or especially in the rainy nights, rainy day nights. So love this one, and it is again long lasting, easy 8 hours. Overspray these and you're good to go with them for sure. Then last, and my absolute favorite, definitely among my top 5 fragrances from Zara. I'll do a separate video for that, definitely. And that is Nuit. You knew this was going to happen, that I'm going to talk about Nuit in the end. Nuit is such a beautiful vanilla ambery, warm, and a bit woody and a bit nutty. Maybe the vanilla and the wood mixing is making it smell like nuts to me. Very projective, compliment getter. And as I said in my video of accidental dupe discovery, that this is like a diluted, lighter, diluted EDT version. Not even EDT, I would say. It's a very, very diluted version of Olympia Intense. So Olympia Intense is when I tried Olympia Intense, I was literally like, oh my god, Nuit is like so close to it. So it's not that I'm not gonna buy Olympia Intense. I have my own list of fragrances from designers. I don't want too many designers. I just don't want to pile on fragrances that I'm not going to wear that much, or because I'm not a very, very floral fragrance person, and I like something. I would like to buy designers only when they have a twist to it, only when they are different. Only then I would like to put my money into that and go and buy a 6,000-7,000 rupees fragrance. But Olympia is definitely one of them, and I love Olympia, and it is on my wish list right now, and I'm soon gonna buy it. So Nuit is a sexy, it's a very unique, sexy, warm vanilla fragrance, and I think all of my ladies out there, none of them has said that they don't like it. All of them love it, and they had it even before I reviewed it. So yeah, we all are Nuit lovers here, and this is an amazing, amazing winter fragrance. If you would ask me personally that if at all I have to just end up with 1 or 2 winter fragrances from Zara, I will definitely pick up Nuit, and I will also, like, I'm in a tight spot right now, oh my god, can't do without this one, Rich Warm Addictive, and another one which would be like a, if at all you ask me for the safe buys, then I would go for a safe purchase would be Black Amber. Definitely will be a compliment getter and a crowd pleaser for sure, and great for these winters. So try this on. And most of these fragrances, I think all of them except Rich Warm Addictive, all of them are under 1,000. Because Black Amber, I'll be honest, when I bought it, it was 790 rupees. Now it is 990 rupees. So the prices have gone up on it. I bought it in a very, very low price. So that's it for today's video. This is my Gaumont and my winter fragrance collection from Zara. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Be My Peaches. Till then, keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good, and have a great day all. Bye bye. Mwah.